track, draw a line all the way around the track. The car can go around the track in either direction. Stay in the gray part of the track, and once you start your line, do not lift your pen from the paper until you get to the end. Put your booklet in a comfortable position and leave it in that position while you make that line. Go. Remember, do not lift your pen until you reach the end of the gray path. Remember, do not turn your booklet as you draw. Look at the page in front of you. You will see one shape at the top of the page and 3 other shapes below it. Find the shapes down here. The shapes that you are looking for down here might be bigger, smaller, darker, or lighter than the shape at the top. They might be turned on their sides or upside down, or they may be hidden in the drawing. They may be more than one image that has a shape like the one at the top. Which of these images at the bottom have the same shape as the drawing at the top? C. Look at this page. See all the boxes? Each box has a drawing in the top half and nothing in the bottom half. I want you to draw the figure that you see up here in the top part of the box, down here in the blank space. When you draw your figure, make sure that it stays inside the box and doesn't touch the sides of the box. You may not erase. Begin your drawings with the first one. When you have completed the first row, move to the bottom row. Then there are more drawings on the next page. Continue drawing until I tell you to stop or come to the end. Look at the drawing at the top of the page. Now look at the drawings down here. Someone did not finish these drawings. Try to imagine what they would look like if they were finished. If they were finished, which one of these drawings would look exactly like the drawing at the top? B. Okay.
I want you to make a trail by drawing a line through the numbers circled in order. That is, draw a line from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. You can draw through the circles. Continue drawing until you reach the circle marked an end. Try not to touch any circles without numbers. Do it as fast as you can without making any mistakes. Ready? I want to see how fast you can make different marks inside these shapes. Look up here at the top of the page. See the 2 lines drawn inside the big circle and the X inside the little square. See it? So there's a line there and an X there. Nothing is drawn in either the big square or the little circle. Now take your pen and make 2 lines in the big circle. Very good. And then an X in the little square. Good. And then try to keep your marks inside the box, inside the shapes. Okay? Good. Now look at example B. This time I want you to do the same thing, but do it as fast as you can. Go from left to right. Don't do all of the big circles you see first, then the small squares. Do them in order. If you make a mark in the error, just keep going. Try to keep your marks inside the shapes. Go ahead. Look at this page. See the drawing at the top of the page? And then do you see those shapes at the bottom of the page? Which of these shapes down here are found in the drawing at the top of the page?
A and B.
The shapes in the drawing will be the same size as the shapes at the bottom.